Good day, my name is Kobicypher and I'm thrilled to welcome you to my channel. I recently completed building a blog application UI, and while the process was insightful, the video recording turned out to be quite lengthy. Considering that I'll be providing the repository link for the project, which will include the HTML and the CSS aspect of the project in this video's description, I have decided to streamline the content. And so instead of rehashing the entire coding process, I will be focusing on recording the logic behind the navbar toggle functionality. This portion won't be included in the repository, allowing us to save valuable time while still delivering essential insights. Thank you for your understanding. Now let's delve into the completed product and explore its features together. It is now time to write the code for the navbar toggle functionality. I will write the code and then after I will explain it to you. In this JavaScript code block, we are initializing our Kobicypher object, which serves as the backbone of our application. First, we have the init navbar function. This is where we handle the toggle functionality for the navigation menu. And so when the navbar toggle element is clicked, it toggles the open class and slides the navigation menu in and out. Next, we ensure that the active state of the navigation items correspond to the current page the user is on. And we are doing that with the init nav item active function. Finally, we tie it all together in the init function, ensuring that both the navbar toggle and the active navigation item functionalities are initialized when the page loads. And there you have it. With just a few lines of JavaScript, we have added essential interactivity to our blog application. Thanks for watching.